Cognistx Legal AI Library uses Square, our AI-powered proprietary search platform. Here's how it works. John, a paralegal for ABC Law Firm, is in the process of legal discovery work in the company's basement library. John must search for, find, and cross-check specific information among hundreds, even thousands of documents. This manual process is very tedious and time-consuming. John spends dozens, if not hundreds of hours in the search process. LegalAI Library builds a knowledge base by scanning, organizing, and indexing the entire document repository. Then it uses our Square search platform to find the same set of needle-in-a-haystack information in just seconds. LegalAI Library also isolates the answers within the documents, so you can see exactly where the information is. Questions can be contextual and do not need to be keyword specific. Cognistx Legal AI Library helps legal firms save significant time, provides a highly accurate search tool, and is extremely cost-effective compared to the traditional discovery process.